Take your time going down. Stay straight. Stay straight. Hang on. Good. Now straighten out. That's good. You're perfect.
Take a picture. All right, what do I say? All right, what do we say, Chris?
I would say...
All right.
Okay, say something. Say something. Say a word.
All right.
There you go. Just get it out.
So she's here.
Should we put a prompter in the back and you read off the script?
I don't even think I could do that. This is hard, Chris. This is way harder.
It really is.
It's way harder than I thought. You're gonna have to get out of here. I can't do it. I'm not good yet. Earlier that week, I was actually talking with another person about picking this one up.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
Oh shit! Get out!
You f***ed it all up.
So anyways, where did I leave off? So we got down to Connecticut. So what's sitting behind you, Chris?
Except...
What do we got here?
77 Datsun.
Oh yeah?
You got a car.
What year? Alright, so you got a 1977 Datsun 280Z.
Yep.
Where'd you get it? You're worse than me. A little too narrated.
I was blank. Hang on. I got it. No, let me just get one more.
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
And I lost it. Oh shit. Is the focus good? Alright, so here's the Datsun 280Z. So we picked it up for 3,500 bucks. And here it is. We finally got it here. I don't know what to say. All right, the intro's there. That's crazy.
Yeah. That is insane.
You can still see the cutout, the original cutout.
Oh yeah. I was so curious what that looked like. Look at that. You got your tetanus shot?
Nope.
So we got the car pretty much torn apart, enough to expose all the areas that are problematic. We've got the firewall here. Down below, this is a pretty nasty area. I mean, I don't even think there's any metal there. Somebody's bondoed something there. There's a hole over here. It needs to be addressed. Radiator support. It's pretty nasty. Some soft spots here that were under the fender. Floor pans are surprisingly good. They're pretty solid. There's a hole up front. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can tell somebody's tried to POR there. Water's definitely been leaking in this seam right here, hole here. All this is starting to crumble. This is the biggest area so far. We'll show in some of the footage of us ripping it off, but I mean, this is Swiss cheese, and then somebody riveted a panel, which is really thin sheet metal, over this, so it's hiding it pretty good. We actually didn't see that when we picked it up. And then somebody's done some patchwork here. All this is Bondo under there. And then we got the roof, which is peeling. Well, that's pretty nasty coming off. But overall, pretty solid. Good stuff to work with. People have tried preserving this before. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but